To set up speed dial numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open your phone dialer. Next step is to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move inside the settings. From there, we'll need to find speed dial numbers, and when we enter it, you will see numbers. So there's the number 1, which is always assigned to the voicemail, and then there's number 2. If you add a specific number or person, then we'll be able to basically perform a call to that person by holding number 2, or we can assign any other number that we like. So now if we go back, currently I don't have any SIM card, so I cannot perform calls. You need to open your keypad phone dialer and then click and hold the button that you assigned the specific person to. That way, if you click and hold it, you'll be able to perform the call instantly to that person by holding this specific number. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.